Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will talk about data security posture management with Microsoft Purview. Well, strengthening data security and minimizing exposure to data risk for sensitive information is often challenging for the organization in the modern workplace. As we all know that the complexity of data is increasing every day, and the types of data sources and the platforms on which that data resides, we still have limited visibility into the sensitive data, and all these spread around data, and with less security solutions, it can be a significant challenge for the administrators to secure that data, right? And now when we have multi-cloud and hybrid of everything, and then we have all the other platforms and all the generative AI applications, now it makes it even more difficult to assess data security coverage and get the insights from user data points, right? So I'll quickly pull up my text box, right? Now all of us would have these questions in our mind, that where do I have my sensitive data, right? And if I know that this data is my sensitive data, or if I mark certain data as my sensitive data, I should know where is it located or hosted. Okay. And now I should know if there is any data that is being currently protected, or if I am protecting a large amount of data, if there is any data that is currently unprotected. All right. And now, how is unprotected sensitive data being handled? If there is a data which is not protected, how is it handled? And how can I help, or how can, as an admin, you help lower the risk and help secure unprotected sensitive data? All right, now here comes the Microsoft Purview Data Security Posture Management, or DSPM. Okay, what it does, it is still in preview. Don't confuse it with Purview. Now it will allow you to quickly and easily monitor cross-cloud data and user risk through the dynamic reports. And it will also share the trend analysis. Now, if you will process and correlate across other Microsoft Purview data security and risk and compliance solutions, this data security posture management will help you identify vulnerabilities with unprotected data and quickly take action to help you improve your data security posture and minimize risk. What all this DSPM provides? It provides recommendations for data security. Okay, you will gain insights into your data security posture and get recommendations for creating insider risk management and DLP policies. It will provide data security analytic trends and reports. Right? It will provide Microsoft Security Copilot. Because Security Copilot will help you investigate alerts and identify risk patterns. Okay, if you're not an E5 customer, use the 90-day Microsoft Purview Solutions trial to explore the additional Purview capabilities. It can integrate with Microsoft Purview solutions. Now, DSPM processes and correlates data, signals, and user activities based on the current configuration of the other data security and risk and compliance solutions. Right now, Microsoft Purview data loss prevention policies will help you prevent users from inappropriately sharing sensitive data. DLP will detect sensitive information using content analysis that includes keyword matching, right? And then when you talk about integrating it with information protection, right? So it will provide a framework, a process, and the capabilities that we can use to protect sensitive data across clouds, apps, and devices using sensitivity labels. Trainable classifiers and sensitive information types. Right? And the organization can define and apply protection policies. Insider risk management uses the full breadth of built-in service and third-party indicators to help you quickly identify, triage, and act on potentially risky activity by users in your organization. Right? So if you want to understand the workflow, right? So if I mention the workflow here, I'll just scroll up. Okay, now, so the DSPM workflow helps you investigate and take actions to address potential security concerns, right? Now, step one, it would be to opt in to the analytics processing. The step two would be to evaluate insights and take action. Okay, and step three would be to investigate with Security Copilot. And step four would be to track posture with analytic trends and reports. And one more point in step three was to create policies with recommendations or act on recommendations, whatever you're getting as part of DSPM, right? So when you talk about step one, opt into the analytics processing. To get started with the DSPM, you need to opt into the Insider Risk Management Analytics, DLP Analytics. And then for step two, which talks about evaluate insights and take action after the automated analytics processing is completed, you can evaluate the insights created by DSPM to help mitigate risk for unprotected data. And when you talk about an action that you would take with Microsoft Security Copilot or with the policies, you can use built-in or custom prompts with Security Copilot, or you can use recommendations to quickly create insider risk management and DLP policies. Okay, after you've done all of these, you can go into step four, which is you can track the poster with the trends and reports over time and for data locations across your organization. And if you want to use DSPM in new environments, you can it can easily provide the configuration and new policy creation across several data security and risk and compliance solutions. And because it will automatically scan the data and activities across the organization and will share a quick baseline insights and recommendations focused on the unprotected data that can help you quickly get started in DLP or information protection through sensitive information types, sensitivity labels, trainable classifiers, and define and apply the protection policies. And if you want to use DSPM in the existing environment, or your organizations are already using DLP, information protection or insider risk management, without having to conduct deeper dives into the existing policies, DSPM can quickly determine and highlight any unprotected data at risk, saving you the time and effort associated with reviewing and testing numerous individuals' data security and risk and compliance policies. All right. So if you are ready to get started, I will get this going in the next video, wherein we will take the initial steps to actually get started with data security posture management, wherein how to opt in and then how to configure security copilot and take all these actions that I mentioned in the workflow. All right. I believe this was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.